Alright, hey guys, I just want to give you an update where I'm at with this fireplace project. I don't know if you can see that, but I kind of pinned up the wiring. I wanted to get it away from these 2x4s. There's some little wire clips and zip ties. I did cut some pieces of 1/4-inch plywood. I'm about to mount these. Along here. So I just wanted to get that wiring away. I know this is probably not totally electrically to code, but it is away from. It is going to be. This wire is going to be up. It is away from the 2x4s. All right, I'm getting ready to brad nail this plywood to the base. I'm using 5/8 brad nails, and I'm also going to be using 1-inch screws just because I don't think the brad nails are long enough. They were in my garage, I'm just using them. You won't see any of these screws either. It's out over. I just need to reinforce this part. A couple more 2x4s. And I might need some more plywood. I have to take another trip. Definitely underestimated. Cool. Here's the finished product. Fireplace. It's not a gas fireplace, it's an electric fireplace. It's pretty inexpensive. Has some cool color options. A lot of different colors. I don't know if you can see all that. A lot of options here. We can even change the speed of the flame. Make it dimmer or brighter. Crazy. Yeah, it feels good to be done with this project. Mantle is, I built that, it's basically hollow. But I use 1x8. It goes all the way across the fireplace. Shiplap on top.